So, I got dust in my throat. We're expecting a dust storm this afternoon. So, I'm going to get as much of this up as I can. I don't know if we can put it on the truck. But I am going to put some of it over here. Get it ready to go. That's tied to the thing. I'm going to have to get some help with that. Part of my fence has been destroyed. Because there was a fence that ran along here. Man, they really tore the hell out of my carport when they were putting this fencing up here. Look what they did. They really tore it up. Man, you gotta be careful with people. They got no respect for nothing. I got somebody who's going to buy that lawnmower. Hey, there's the little kitty. I would call able to bring out the treats, but he's too busy on the phone. He won't answer. So you like the new carport? You like the carport? Oh, they're here to buy the thing. I gotta go. Okay, I got me a little pile started here because we're supposed to have a dust storm. And I don't know if it's safe to put it on the back of the truck. And I start me a pile here. Now I'm putting this in here so my bucket don't blow away. And I'm gonna put some in this box. And y'all, I'm tired. My hip is killing me, my leg is killing me. I'm talking like out of a 10. It's a 10, it hurts so bad.